Hi, this is a 2006 Ford Taurus with a 3.0 liter V6. It was jerking and bucking a lot, and it was put in the shop for a little over a month, and the shop just changed parts over and over. Couldn't fix it. They ended up paying about $800 and something for a shop bill, and it came back and wasn't fixed. Well, the issue was when I had time to look at it, it was throwing a mass airflow sensor code every now and again, but where it plugs in the computer, there's the plug right there, and here's the wiring harness. I got it wrapped in a heat protective coating. But when I pulled that plug off and I pulled that harness back, right down there, I don't know if you can see it, but you see right there, get a focus. You see those marks on that AC line right there, like arc marks? The insulation and all that, and the tape they put on it from the factory and the wire loom had dry rotted from the heat, and the wires, it had 5 wires that were rubbed, the insulation was rubbed off, and they were grounding out on that AC line right there. So it was grounding out the mass airflow signal wire, returning from the ECM back to the mass airflow sensor. And that's something that you can look at in about 15 minutes. You know, it doesn't take much. You disconnect the battery. It's 8mm. Disconnect the negative cable on the battery. 10mm. Take the bolt loose from the plug back there, and pull the plug out. Pull that wiring harness back around the intake where you can look at the underside of it, and you can just twist it a little bit and spread the wires out, and you can see if you have any issues like that. So I hope this helps you, anybody. Again, this is for 2006 Taurus and down with a 3.0 liter V6. And make sure you put something on there to keep it from chafing if you have this issue. All right, thanks.